What are the best design courses I can take? Students ask me that question all the time. Creativity sometimes involves being vulnerable. And vulnerability is not a fault, but a frame of mind, a channel, a vehicle where being real is more important and more powerful than being perfect. Allow yourself to be seen and to make mistakes. Look at old videos of Karl Lagerfeld, right? He would do a sketch, and if he didn't like it, boom, done, next. And yes, there are great courses available out there on sketching and draping and pattern making, collection development, and so on, like on Fashion Premier Academy, for example. But if you're only learning techniques and ignoring mindset, you're only half prepared. This book that I just published, Design Your Future, Be a Future Designer, encompasses both the technical skills and the mind frame for success. It is a great companion to any course, offering what many courses do not offer, which is the inner alignment and creative clarity. This course will challenge how you think and how you create and how you show up in the world. So grab your copy today. It's on Amazon. Here's the link. And start becoming the designer you've always wanted to be.